The civil authorities have issued an immediate evacuation for Fairbanks North Star AK, beginning at 8:14 p.m. Thursday, June 19th and ending at 4:14 a.m. Friday, June 20th. FNSB Emergency Alert. A Level 3 evacuation is in effect for the following area: S. Properties Missoula Lane, Harper Creek Drive, and north of those on Gilmore Trail. A Level 3 evacuation means go. Evacuate now. Leave immediately. To see if you are in the evacuation zone, visit the evacuation map. Details for evacuation location will be provided by 9 p.m. June 19, 1925. Danger to your area is current or imminent. Given the proximity of the fire to this area, if there is a drastic change in the current and expected direction and there is limited access into and out of the area, residents and visitors should evacuate immediately. If you choose to ignore this advisement, you must understand that emergency services may not be available to assist you further. Do not delay leaving to gather any belongings or make efforts to protect your structures. This will be the last alert that you receive. Entry to evacuated areas may be denied until conditions are safe.
Los Angeles.